Kasi it's so easy working with Direk Cathy. And bilang bago in this industry, talagang ginay niya ako. So sa Chai, medyo wala pa akong alam. Pero with TKL, medyo naging heavy yung role ko. And
kasi sa Chai, parang nurse-nurse ka lang.
Nurse na ako doon. And here, meron ng mga lines, to the Barbie, David. So talagang kabado ko. Pero everyone on the set, Wikipedia, is super nice to guide me bilang bagong artista.
Saan ka na-discover na panood?
Actually, si Mami Bon yung naka-discover sa akin sa FinCheck sa Dreamscape, I think. Tapos, after nun, kinuha niya ako for Pocket Media. Tapos, nagtuloy-tuloy na. So, thank you Pocket Media for believing in my talent. Kahit na wala pa ako napapatunayan. Ito pa lang. So, yeah. Thank you, Direk. Love you so much.
Thank you, Adi. Maraming salamat. Divine!
As you say your name, please also say your role.
Galing yung boses.
Nag-iiba-iba.
Ako, Divine.
Hello po everybody, my name is Divine and I will be playing the role of Aya, ang matalik na kaibigan ni Barbie. Ang pangalan, ako na nagsabi ng character, ang matalik na kaibigan ni Nina. So, ayun po, masaya po ako nandito at masaya po akong makakonect with you, with all of you.
Thank you, Divine. Maraming salamat. Of course, Tita A, Ms. Arlene muna!
Hello everyone. Direk Cathy, before anything else, thank you for having me. And sa inyo, I see so many familiar faces. Mga kaidaran ko, hello. Hello, how are you? It's been so long, Pastor. Okay, thank you for having us. Thank you for taking your time out to join us. Huwag niyo pong kalilimutan abangan at kiligin tulad ko. Bilang nanay ni Mila, kinikilig ako. Kaya, halika na't paroodin natin. Thank you.
Thank you, Tito Arlene mula, Ivan!
Magandang hapon, Jaiho.
Good afternoon, Ivan.
Magandang hapon to all the press and media. My name is Ivan Carapiet. I will be playing Noah, David's confidant and pinsan. First of all, congratulations, Direk Cathy. Pocket Media, thank you so much for this opportunity. Lagi kasi akong kontrabida, pero Direk Cathy believes in me and she gave me a chance to play a good part in a movie, and I'm so thankful. And I'm so excited for you all to watch this. Everybody poured their heart and souls. Congratulations, David and Barbie. I hope you guys enjoy the ride. Enjoy the day.
Thank you, Ivan. Bago natin patiin, of course, ang barda, syempre, Elise, ang ating young screenplay writer. Oh, and creative producer. Greet everybody, Elise.
Hi everyone, I'm Elise. Elise.
Ay, nasama sa subdivision namin, Elise.
Tayo rin ang ano.
Oh, dapat Elise.
Creative producer and screenwriter of That Kind of Love. Thank you very much for being here. I've seen you last month lang.
Yes.
So many familiar faces. Thank you for being here. We're so excited to share That Kind of Love with you. Excited to come again with everyone else. We waited so long for this. And I'm so happy that we're all together now. And I'm so ready to answer all your questions. I'm excited. I hope you ask interesting, very interesting questions. We're all ready for it. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you so much. Of course, our director, Catherine Cici Camarillo!
Hello everyone. Salamat po at nandito po kayo ulit ngayon. Like my daughter said, last month lang yung aming Chai. And now you're still with us para dito naman sa That Kind of Love. I hope you support us all the way up until all the movement of TKL that support everyone here. Magagaling po mga artista na gusto kong i-showcase sa inyo ngayon. Salamat.
Thank you, Direk Catherine Cici Camarillo. First now, David Lecauco!
Hello, hi. First of all, thank you so much for being here. Alam namin na malaking magiging contribution nyo sa film, kaya sana ay tulungan niyo kaming mag-promote. And I'm just super thankful to be acting for Direk. She's so nice, she's like a mom to me. And ayun, napakaganda ng pelikula. Sana ay supportahan nila. Thank you so much.
Thank you, David. And of course, Barbie Forteza!
Hello po, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Thank you all so much for coming in today. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsuporta sa very first movie namin ni David as a love team, as Barda. Thank you so much, Pocket Media, for entrusting us with this project. I know that there were so many risks taken to do this project, and so thank you so much dahil kami ang napili ninyong soldiers na gumanap dito sa pelikulang ito. And I will also take this chance to invite all of you to please support our premiere night on July 4th sa SM Mega Mall. Sana po sabay-sabay natin panoorin ang nakakakilig na pelikulang ito, directed by Catherine O. Camarillo. Thank you so much!
Yes, ayan nga po si Barbie, si David, and the rest of the cast. Ngayon naman, syempre, dire-diretso na po tayo sa ating Q&A kasama ang ating mga mahal na kaibigan mula sa ating entertainment media, mga vloggers na nandito. Pero I will ask the first question muna. I would like to start with Barbie and David agad-agad. Kanina nag-interview ako sa kanila. Tinanong ko sa kanila na anong feeling, of course, diba, na kayo yung nabigyan ng opportunity, and you mentioned this is your first movie as Barda. Diba, we all know na nowadays, napakahirap nung labanan pagdating sa sinehan. Diba, parang people are waiting ng mga pelikula on social streaming platforms. Pagka ganyan ba bilang mga artista, do you still feel the pressure na kayo ang lead star at kayo ang soldiers, ika nga sabi mo kanina ni Direk Cathy, para sa pelikulang ito?
I have to admit, yes, of course, there is pressure dahil unti-unti pa lang naman pong bumabalik ang mga tao sa sinihan. Pero I am quite confident with our project, with our film, kasi sino bang hindi gustong ma-in love? Sino bang hindi gustong kiligin? This is what we are offering, hindi ba? A feel-good, romantic film na lahat tayo sa pagkatapos ng pelikulang ito ay mai-in love kay David Licao.
Oh, David, hindi na sa'yo ni Barbie agad-agad.
Anong question mo?
Ulit tayo, David, And then, yun nga, David, diba, sinihan ngayon, parang alam natin lahat yan, we are all struggling, the Philippine cinema, diba, hindi lahat pinapatong, pinipilahan. Pero bilang mga soldiers at artista na Direk Cathy ng Pocket Media ng that kind of love, nakakaramdam din ba kayo ng yung pressure? Ikaw, ang feeling dito? David, sagutin mo ako.
I think there is pressure, but maganda yung produkto namin, Miss Cathy, ng production. Kaya feeling ko ay as long as we do our best promoting, sigurado kung papatok siya sa takilya. So I think yes, there is pressure, but I try my best to just control the things that I can control. So, which is by promoting and helping the movie.
Totoo yan. At dahil dyan, para mas kiligin tayo lahat, thank you, Barbie, David. Mga kaibigan, kamamiyak, kapuso at kapatid, sabay-sabay po natin panoorin ang full trailer ng That Kind of Love.
Actually, there's nothing special about it. I just love the country. At the same time, K-dramas are very relevant when it comes to rom-com films and series right now. So, given that we want a mainstream film that would give that kilig vibe and bring back that kilig vibe here in the Philippines, we thought maybe we can bring Barda in Korea.
Yung pala, thank you.
Tsaka Jano, yung feature ni Direk Sisi Camarillo sa Chai ay different naman sa mga places na feature niya dito sa Kind of Love. Di ba, Direk? Tama ba?
Yes.
Ay.
Okay, thank you so much, Ms. L. Kuya Jem, simulan na natin. Sa Studio 1 ba dyan? Studio 2?
Studio 2. Actually, ang second question, kasi the first question na sa Studio 1, galing sa nag-iisang sparkling diva.
Wow!
Si Chuli natin.
Yes, good afternoon. Yeah. Hi, Barbie. Pero, the next season, congratulations. No? Kasi the first time na pinadala sa akin yung trailer ng movie, napakaganda. Very glossy siya. And sabi ko nga kay Juman, feeling ko ito yung first passer of 2020. Kayo, marami po ba kayong mga positive feedbacks na natatanggap? And you think tama ba ang sa pagkahan ng karamihan na this is going to be a blockbuster?
To be a blockbuster. Of course, lagi natin gustong mangyari yung maganda para sa pelikula. So positive feedback, yes, I may say, ang dami kong nakita, narinig, maraming sa feeds namin na appreciate nila. And yun naman po yung vision namin, maghandog sa inyo ng maganda. And I always want to thank also all the production team. Alam naman natin, filmmaking is always collaborative. At lahat po ito, hard work po ng lahat, hindi lang po sa isang kagaya ko. Everyone should be complimented on this one. Kaya po, siguro, kaya nila-appreciate dahil marami pong nag-contribute sa pelikulang to. They gave their best to at least give their genius for us to come up with this great material. Okay, so, yun na po. Sana tulungan niyo kaming lahat na mai-promote din natin. At gaya na rin po sa akin ni Sir Jude Darin, let's try, let's hope na sana nga magkaroon tayo ng blockbuster run for this one. Wala naman kung masamang magsabi ng mataas na expectations. But of course, we're proud to say that we at least as a creator, lahat po ng magandang gusto kong mangyari sa isang pelikula, eh ginawa ko po dito sa pelikula nito. Kaya napaka-special po nito sa akin.
And thank you, Direk Cici. Yan sa kay Barbie and David, yan narinig yung sinabi ni Direk. Pero yun nga, maraming nagsasabi talaga, the public, yung mga nakapanood